In this video, we'll be going over how to create an engineering notebook. However, remember that this video holds our interpretation of an engineering notebook. We are not judges and judging is subjective. We encourage everyone to reference the official game manual made by the FTC. Hi, my name is Rhea. I'm on Team 10696 Syborgs. We've won awards such as the Motivate Award, the Think Award, the Control Award, but most importantly, the Inspire Award. And today I'm here to teach you about how to format and what to put inside of your engineering notebook. There are 6 important things to keep in mind when creating your engineering notebook. The engineering notebook is just as important, if not more important than the robot. The engineering notebook qualifies you for many different awards, such as the Innovate Award, the Inspire Award, the Control Award, the Think Award, and many different other awards, while the robot can only win you the Winning Alliance Award. Another thing to keep in mind is keep doing the notebook even after your robot is complete. There's many different things that can change between robot builds, such as your outreach, your business, your programming, and even your digital design. A third thing to keep in mind is that the quality of your notebook should be better and you shouldn't be worried about the quantity. I've seen many times different teams try to put more content in their notebook and not care about the quality of the work, while the judges really look for the quality of what's inside of your engineering notebook. Another good thing to keep in mind is the format of your notebook. You should have a unique design and a unique format. There should be no empty spaces. Your notebook should be listed in chronological order. Make sure that your notebook is organized. If your notebook is not organized, the judges will not be able to find content. The most important page in your engineering notebook is your team summary. This is located on the inside of your engineering notebook or as the first page of your engineering notebook. You should include a team picture here. You should describe all the different sections and what is most important from all those sections. You should also include your team spirit so the judges can see how your team bonds together. It is essential to tab the most important pages so the judges can flip to them easily. This should not be different than the summary that's in the team summary. The engineering section of your notebook should have the underlying math and physics behind your robot. You should have a step-by-step process of how you created your robot and what mistakes you made along the way. You should also include how you overcame the mistakes, what you've scrapped, and what you're not using. The CAD/digital design section of your notebook should include sketches and digital designs of your robot. The judges should be able to see how you created your robot based on your digital designs. You should include any 3D printed parts here. The programming section of your notebook should not be a copy and paste of your code. You should show what you use in your code and how you used it. You should explain your code rather than copy and pasting your code into a Google document. The most important thing is to show how you troubleshooted your code. How did you overcome those issues and what algorithms did you use to help your robot move? The outreach section of your notebook should include the outreach plans that you did for that year. You should include long extensive plans of how you planned for the actual event, how did you perform in the actual event, how many people did you reach, and where was it held. The treasure/business section is where your team plan and your budget sheet should be. You should include any sponsors and how you fundraised for your robot. You should also include a team plan, which is a month-by-month event planner, which plans out all of your outreach and how you tend to build your robot and program it in a short amount of time. The team spirit section shows how you as a team work together. This can be fun events such as bowling, skating, and even hanging out at someone's house or having dinner. Now that we've went over all of the sections of your notebook, here are some more general tips for your notebook. Make sure if you do daily logs that they are consistent and detailed with pictures and diagrams. But daily logs are not a requirement, but it helps show the judges your whole journey throughout making your robot and your decisions. Make sure if you do not finish a task that is mentioned in the next log. Make sure that you do plenty of outreach, from mentoring teams, fundraising, teaching younger and older generations about robotics, and helping other teams. It can improve you as a person, but it also increases your outreach and your reach of first. You should take plenty of pictures of everything. Judges like to see visuals about what you do in building, programming, and even outreach events. You should have team biography, which are short biographies about each of your members. Make sure that the team member is visible from far away on the binder. This helps the judges know which team has what notebook. Make sure that they're big, dark numbers on a lighter binder or light numbers on a darker binder. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.